The Double Jeopardy Clause of the United States Constitution prevents a person from being convicted twice for the same offense. But does double jeopardy bar a federal conviction if a person was previously convicted in an Indian tribal court? The Supreme Court answered this question and looked at the sovereignty of Indian nations in United States v. Wheeler. In 1974, Anthony Wheeler, a member of the Navajo Nation, was convicted in the Navajo Tribal Court for disorderly conduct and contributing to the delinquency of a minor. Wheeler was sentenced to 75 days in jail and was ordered to pay $150. 1 year later, Wheeler was indicted by a federal district court grand jury for statutory rape, arising from the same incident Wheeler had already been convicted of in the tribal court. Wheeler moved to dismiss his indictment, claiming that because he had already been convicted in tribal court for delinquency of a minor, a lesser included offense of statutory rape, any subsequent prosecution was barred by double jeopardy. The district court agreed and dismissed Wheeler's indictment. The government appealed, but the Court of Appeals affirmed the dismissal. The Court of Appeals held that the Double Jeopardy Clause bars a second conviction by federal courts because tribal courts on Indian reservations and United States district courts are part of the same sovereign, and both derive their power from the federal government. The Supreme Court granted cert.